The DJI Air 4 is starting to move out of the just rumors category and into something that looks increasingly real. Over the past few weeks, the conversation hasn't just been driven by speculation anymore. Instead, we're seeing registry traces, compliance database entries, and early prototype signals that all point toward an actual product quietly progressing through development. A major turning point arrived in mid-2026 when Quadrant News published details referencing regulatory systems and aviation compliance records linked to DJI's upcoming lineup. Among those references, the DJI Air 4 appeared in contexts that suggest far more than early planning. When a drone name shows up inside official-style aviation databases, it usually means one thing: testing has already reached a stage where regulatory identification is required. That immediately pushes the Air 4 from theoretical discussion into active development territory. Even more significant is its appearance inside China's drone flight authorization ecosystem, part of the Civil Aviation Administration's operational framework. This system is used for real-world flight tracking, approvals, and compliance verification. Products don't typically enter this environment unless they are being prepared for controlled testing or certification workflows. So seeing the DJI Air 4 referenced there strongly implies DJI already has functional prototypes being validated in regulated conditions. That alone changes the entire narrative. It suggests the Air 4 isn't just being designed anymore, it's likely already flying in internal test environments, gathering data, and being refined before public reveal stages even begin. One of the biggest reasons this drone is generating so much attention is the rumored weight class. Early information hints that the DJI Air 4 could land under 250 grams. If accurate, that would be a massive strategic decision. Sub-250g drones benefit from significantly reduced regulatory requirements in many countries, often avoiding registration rules entirely and making travel use far simpler. A lightweight Air 4 in that category would instantly position itself between DJI's Mini series and the larger Mavic lineup. That middle space has always been important, but it has never been fully defined with high-end imaging performance at this level. If DJI manages to deliver serious camera capability in a sub-250g body, it could completely reshape what users expect from a portable drone. Design leaks have added even more fuel to the excitement. Earlier in 2025, a partially damaged prototype surfaced through well-known leaker Jasper Ellens, giving us a rough look at the Air 4's structure. The most noticeable change was the thicker arm design compared to the Air 3 series. That detail alone suggests DJI may be prioritizing either improved durability, stronger wind resistance, or more efficient aerodynamics for longer and more stable flight performance. Another key observation came from the sensor layout on top of the drone. The prototype appeared to feature an upgraded obstacle detection system with multiple upper-facing sensors and an integrated beacon light. This kind of configuration is usually associated with higher-end DJI models and is designed to improve navigation safety in complex environments such as dense cities, forests, or low-light conditions where traditional sensors struggle. While official images are still missing, the consistency of these leaks suggests DJI is already well past the initial design phase. At this stage in development, it's common for companies to begin distributing near-final hardware to internal teams or trusted testers. That would explain why multiple fragments of accurate design information are now surfacing even without an official reveal. Camera expectations are where things get even more ambitious. The most widely discussed rumor is the possibility of dual 1-inch sensors. If this turns out to be true, it would represent one of the biggest imaging upgrades in the Air series history. A 1-inch sensor already brings a noticeable jump in image quality, especially in dynamic range, low light performance, and cinematic detail. It's the kind of sensor size usually reserved for more premium drones. A dual setup could take that further, potentially allowing users to switch between two imaging perspectives or optimized focal modes without losing sensor quality. For creators, this would mean far more flexibility in capturing different types of aerial shots using a single compact drone. Travel filmmakers, content creators, and commercial users would all benefit from having higher-end imaging capabilities in a portable form factor. Obstacle avoidance is also expected to take a major step forward. Based on the revised sensor design, the Air 4 will likely feature improved omnidirectional detection. That means better awareness in all directions, reduced blind spots, and more reliable automated tracking. Combined with smarter flight algorithms, it could make autonomous shooting mode significantly safer and more precise than previous generations. Battery efficiency and flight endurance are also expected to improve, even if not dramatically. DJI typically focuses on incremental gains in power optimization rather than large jumps in battery capacity. Better processors, improved aerodynamics, and refined energy management usually translate into longer real-world flight times and more consistent performance under load. On the transmission side, most expectations currently point toward the continued use of DJI's O4 system. While there has been some speculation about a newer generation communication standard, there is no solid evidence supporting a full transition yet. Instead, DJI is more likely to refine O4 for stronger signal stability, better range consistency, and improved resistance to interference in crowded environments. Looking at timing, the release window aligns closely with DJI's historical product rhythm. The Air 2 launched in 2020, followed by the Air 3 in 2023 and the Air 3s in 2024. That pattern shows a steady evolution cycle that typically leads to a major generational update every 2 to 3 years. Based on that timeline, a 2026 release for the Air 4 fits naturally into DJI's long-term strategy. Most current expectations place the announcement somewhere between September and November 2026. That would allow DJI to position the drone ahead of the holiday season, which is one of the most important sales periods in the consumer tech space. However, this timeline is still unofficial since key regulatory filings like FCC documentation have not yet appeared. Nothing is officially confirmed yet, but momentum is clearly building. The DJI Air 4 is steadily moving from rumor to reality, and with each new leak, the picture becomes sharper, more detailed, and harder to ignore.